Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make winter themed presents with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a simple gift starting with a 1x1 plate. I'm going to stack another 1x1 plate right on top of the previous and another 1x1 plate right on top. Now here's a little bit of a trick. Just set this on a flat surface and just level all these plates down. Then on the top a stud flower to complete a simple boxed gift. Now if you want a rounded small gift, let's take a 1x1 Technic lift arm. I'm going to place a friction pin with stud right inside and a stud flower for a little bow. Now for a larger rounded gift, we're going to take a 1x3 Technic lift arm, place 3 friction pins with studs right inside the Technic holes. Populate all the holes up. Then, right in the center, a 1x1 plate and a set of 1x1 half round flat tiles. These are going to match the contour on the sides of our gift box. Make sure everything is lined up. And for a little bow, stud flower. For a larger gift, let's take a 3x3 plate. I want to flip this over right in the center, a 1x3 brick, and in the remaining areas, 6 1x1 bricks. I'm using medium blue and regular blue for this present here. Using the regular blue for a little ribbon, and the medium blue is the color of the box. Now we're going to flip this back over. Right in the center, a 1x1 plate. We're going to use that to attach our bow. Then we're going to start putting flat tiles on the top. Now you can do any pattern on this you wish, but I'm going to keep mine blue to match the winter theme. That's why you noticed all the gifts are blue, is to make them look cold. Put these last two right here. And for the bow, another 1x1 stud flower right there. And for the last gift, we're going to take a set of 1x2 by 1 2/3 brick with 8 studs. I'm going to put these side by side. I'm going to lock them together with a 2x2 flat tile. And we're going to finish off the remaining areas with 2x2 flat tiles. We've got to match that cold blue again. Then on the top, I'm going to place these studs into these 4 tubes, where this is hanging over just a little bit. Then right in the center, a 1x1 plate, and for a little ribbon, I'm going to place a set of 1x1 flat tiles right here. And in the remaining 4 corners, 4 1x1 quarter round flat tiles. This is going to sort of simulate the rounded sides. They don't have a 3x3 rounded plate yet, so we're going to have to do this. And let's crown off that stud with a stud flower.